I like trains.
Hello everyone. CSX M412 is approaching right now here in Monrovia. See what it has. There's a hopper that looks really good, and I don't know what it said, but we're gonna have to pay attention to it. It's coming up. There's also a Pan Am hopper on it. What the? Rest in peace. I guess Ozzy Osbourne and Hulk Hogan, because I'm posting this like a day after they both passed. All right, I think one of the good cars is, yeah, that family line system. That's the one that I was talking about. I was not sure what it said. It's really on its brakes. Hello world. What? I don't see why not. Let's do it. Let's go to Morgan. We'll chase this one. Look, what the heck? Oh. Rather be a coyote than a coward. That's what it said. Hydrochloric acid. CSX on acid. They better not merge with BNSF like UP's gonna do, or NS gonna do with UP. Oh, I hope that doesn't happen. CSX coal hoppers. Blue. Another blue one. 2218 hazard placard. No idea what that means. There's a neat one. Should be a Pan Am boxcar coming up. Just a second. Oh, what does that say? No, there it is. Pan Am. MEC reporting marks, aka Main Central. And I believe the end is approaching. Yep, there it is. We are going to go to Morgan Road. Catch it for a second time. So stay tuned. Big went on the back. Okay.
I don't want a blind Tony.
Yay! No one wants the blind Tony. Hello, everyone. As you heard, M412 is close. Just heard him honk here in Woodbine. He's about to cross here at Morgan Road, there at West Hood Signals. It's about to honk in the tunnel, and then it will be here. Special thanks to that Western Maryland guy for providing the light tonight. Now he's in the tunnel. His crossings are going off any second. Oh yeah. Here we go. Looking at I know. Yeah, who needs track speed? That was the family line. Glad I was on the engineer side first time. He is flying through Morgan here. It's not actually raining. The rain is falling down from the trees. Now it's on its break. Pan Am. I know. Thanks for watching. Here from Morgan Road crossing the Old Main. This is the Old Main guy signing off. Everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.